everything changes.
Hey, happy Sunday everybody. Welcome into the channel. Thank you guys for joining me. And as you know, we are now resellers, nomad resellers on the move. I figured I'd give you guys a little inside look at where we're going to be staying for the next month. And then I have a little quick topic I want to talk to you about when we sit down. So I'll just show you guys kind of the front door. There it is. You walk in and we have an entire kitchen. It's actually very nice. For a rental, for like a resort villa, it's awesome. And also very important when you rent places, especially if you're staying for more than a few days, washer and dryer. Very important. Okay, so we'll keep walking through here and I have like an official dining room table, which I can record at. You see, I've already got the light kit where I'll record your videos from for the rest of the week. And then kitchen, or living room. There's Chewy. What's up, Chewy? Chew Bear. What's up, buddy? Just hanging out. And then they have like a nice flat screen. Roscoe and Kate are out on the porch. We do have a full-on porch out there. And then they have like a little closet for coats and stuff. We put a few boxes. And then this way, come with me a little further, is the bed. Anyways, we already slept there last night, so all our stuff is already there. It has a nice TV. All right. And the coolest part, the bedroom has the tub right there inside of it. Let me get my head out of the way. Here, I'll back up to it without falling. Check it out. Okay. And then just a little closet. And then it has obviously a bathroom. And then this door goes back out into the rest of the place. You're okay, buddy. And then I set up PS5 already. And then as we come outside, that's our view down the view. Kind of looking over the rest of the resort. Unfortunately, that direction is more the buildings. The pool and all the other stuff is way out the front. That direction is a little bit of a hike, but it's still a nice unit considering. Anyways, it's got everything we need for an entire month here, and hopefully the dogs get comfortable. So let's sit down, a little topic I want to talk to you guys about. All right, guys, so you got to see a little bit of the inside of the room. I'll take a little bit of video and some drone shots of the entire resort once we get out and about. We have to wait for the dogs to get settled a little bit. So what I want to talk to you guys about is 2020. We all know the jokes, we all know the memes, we all know the stigma and the absolute insanity, the circus act, the zoo that was this year. And we're coming down to the last almost, little more than a week. It's the 20th today. Here's the thing. A lot of people email me and message me about quitting, giving up, how terrible this year was. And man, it really, really gave us a sucker punch at the end of the year with this whole USPS thing. I should have seen it a little bit earlier. I started talking about it in October, November about how bad the USPS was and how bad the overflow of packages could potentially be. Even I couldn't have predicted, I don't think anyone could have predicted just how bad it is. And if it wasn't bad enough that this year caused a lot of people to have mental breakdowns and issues and stress, this is just one to top it off for those of us that are reselling, but not just resellers, people that are just sending everyday Christmas gifts and packages and business stuff, and everything is delayed. It's not just your personal, basket to grandma. It's, even business packages like we're seeing through eBay and Amazon, everything is just jacked up. And so that begs the question, how many people are giving up? How many people are just over it and done? Well, from the input that I get in messages and emails and Facebook groups and that I hear about from my fellow colleagues and YouTubers, the Rakens and the Dominics and Star and Keith and everybody else who does videos, is that a lot of people are having that attitude, and it kind of makes me sad because there's always downs. This is downs of epic proportions this year, but we can't ever give up. No matter how down and bad we are, you kind of got to take that leap and just make the best of everything. So, I took the leap of I'm going to move this year and take a hit in my income and shut down stores, which I've done for the next 28, 29, give or take days. And, things are bad. And so I kind of worked the best angle that I could, like scheduled all this to work out during that time. It wasn't on purpose necessarily, but I kind of adjusted like, hey, we'll be gone. Let's shut off the stores. We won't be hurt by the shipping as bad. I'm still running my Shopify wholesale store where everything is shipping out every day. It's just not me that's shipping it, which is, perfect because I'm not anywhere near my inventory. You just can't give up, guys. You can't let something, keep you down. I truly believe 2021 is going to be a better year, politics aside, pandemic aside. In a business point of view, listen, laws don't happen overnight, so there aren't going to be very many law changes between now and 2021 to affect you as far as taxes or business costs or any of that. That's all going to stay the same for this year for the most part. Whoever's in the office of president, it doesn't matter to us, guys. We buy and sell. Things aren't going to change like that, and they're not going to affect us in a direct manner like they might affect a lot of other things. Maybe. I could be wrong. Who knows after this year? But in theory, you should be able to continue doing what you're doing and still make very good money if you put the time and work and effort into it. Don't let all this other stuff and this nonsense, crush you. The USPS is going to get back to normal. Christmas packages are going to stop shipping. They're going to catch up. The whole delays are going to happen. COVID vaccines are happening and different things are going towards the way of whether you believe in them or not. It's going to encourage people to get back to work and finish doing what they're doing. And hopefully things will open up more. So I believe 2021 is going to be a better year, and I hope that all of you believe that as well, and I want you guys to stick with it. I know it's going to be a big year for me, moving into a new house, getting more space, redoing my podcast, which is going to be a season 2, the best season that I've had, even though it's only my second season. I am going to run this podcast. I'm going to interview a bunch of people that you guys want me to interview on the podcast, and we're just going to sit down and talk business. We're going to talk stocks. We're going to talk reselling. We're going to talk investments, Acorns, Robinhoods, Tesla. We're going to talk everything business, not just reselling. So if something you're interested in, the podcast will be back. I'm going to get it up and running in January, and we're going to be off to the races. So I got a lot of work to do in the next 11 days, I know. But I hope you guys stick with it, and I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas. If I don't talk to you, I'll be recording videos from right here in this seat all month long for the rest of the month. So stick with that. And then on New Year's Day, all my training packages will go out. You guys will be off to the races as well. And hopefully this little motivational speech will get you, the kick in the butt to put that work in and make 2021 the best year ever. 2021, I believe, will be better, but it's only going to be the best if you make it that way. So remember that. You only get out what you put into things. And I hope that you guys take that message and run with it for the entire course of the new year. What are your plans for the New Year's, guys? What are your what do they call them? New Year's resolutions. What are you guys planning on accomplishing and making different in this new year over what you did in 2020? Even though all the plans we had for 2020 were pretty much crushed pretty early. Let me know in the comment section. What are your resolutions? What are your goals? What is everything that you want to get done this year over last year or any other years in the past for that matter? So appreciate you guys as always for watching. Thank you so much, and hopefully this gives you what you need to get it done. If you do want that 2021 training program that goes out on New Year's Day, 1/1/2021, it's linked below. The pre-sale, everything emails automatically on New Year's Day. I don't know what time it's going out on New Year's Day. I'll have to check the time and let everyone know. Probably mid-afternoon, but it's linked below. Grab it, get yourself ready to go. eBay, Amazon, Posh, Shopify, accounting, affiliate, social media, everything that you'll need to make the New Year's awesome. Thank you guys as always, and I'll see you again tomorrow right back here from our resort rental and villa as we continue being nomadic resellers. Have a wonderful afternoon, everybody. I'll see you next time.